Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of pi. No, not the dessert, but the mathematical constant that's everywhere in our universe. So, what exactly is pi? In the simplest terms, pi, often written as the Greek letter p, is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. No matter the size of the circle, this ratio is always the same, approximately 3.14159. But here's the cool part. It's an irrational number, which means it goes on forever without repeating. Why is pi so significant? Well, aside from making appearances in your high school math problems, pi is crucial in fields like engineering, physics, and even programming. For instance, when engineers design anything round, think wheels, gears, or even the curves of a bridge, pi is there, making sure everything measures up perfectly. In programming, pi comes into play in various algorithms and simulations. Imagine creating a game where characters move in circular paths or calculating orbital paths in space simulations. Pi is your go-to constant. Now, how do you remember pi? While it's impractical to memorize all of its infinite digits, many people use mnemonic devices. One popular method is the PIM technique, where you use a poem to remember the digits. For example, How I Need a Drink, alcoholic in nature, after the heavy lectures involving quantum mechanics. The number of letters in each word corresponds to the digits of pi 3.141159263. There are also fun Pi Day celebrations on March 14th. 314, get it? People celebrate by eating pie, discussing math, and even competing to recite as many digits of pi as possible. But beyond these fun facts, understanding pi is like having a key to unlock many mathematical concepts. It's a fundamental piece that connects geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. So next time you see a circle, remember, there's pi, quietly holding everything together. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to understanding pi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more math